Hey Green Thumbs, welcome back to another video, and today I want to talk about vines. Now, I don't know if you have this problem where you live, but there are a lot of vines in my area, and what ends up happening is that they end up growing into the yard. And it may seem intimidating because it can grow so fast and so far, but it's actually pretty easy to get rid of, and today I want to show you how. So this is the vine that I am tackling in my yard. I don't know the particular name of it, but if you do, feel free to put it in the comment section below. And regardless of the type of vine you may have, if you don't have this one as well, the solution I'm going to share will work for most vines. So let's get into that. So the first thing that you need to get is a herbicide, and this particular one I got it from Farm and Garden, which is right opposite the market in St. George's here in Grenada, and this one was about $10. Now what this is glysophate, and this is a systematic broad spectrum herbicide. So what that means, systematic, is that it kills to the roots. Now that's very important because with the vines, you don't want to just kill the foliage, you want to kill the actual plant. And this one I found is pretty effective, and it's affordable as well. The second thing you're going to need is a spray can, and this you can pick up at Farm and Garden, Renwick and Thompson, even Hubbard's, and they come in different sizes, but I have a 2-gallon can. And what I do is I use half of the bottle of herbicide and I fill the rest of this with water, and that works pretty good for me. And in the next clip, I'm going to show you how to spray the foliage to get rid of the vines. Spray directly onto the foliage, and you want to cover as much as possible, because what's actually happening is that the herbicide is being translocated from the leaves to the roots. And that's how systematic herbicides work. They move from the leaves and they work their way down to the roots and kill the plant. If you look, you'd see some of these leaves are yellow. That's because I sprayed this vine about 3 or 4 days ago, and so it's already starting to work. When you spray it, it doesn't automatically kill the plant. It takes about a week to 2 weeks for you to actually see the product working. Well, for the plant to die, sorry. But within 3 days, you'd start to see the leaves starting to die and holes starting to form in the leaves. But the idea, as I said, is to spray as much of the leaves as possible to make sure that a lot of the product, a lot of the herbicide is working its way through the vine.